Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled LLM APIs and Integration, Connecting Your AI to Real-World Applications. Imagine having a super smart friend who can write stories, translate languages, and answer almost any question you throw at them. These large language models, LLMs, are like that friend, trained on vast amounts of text to understand and generate human-like language. As developers, our goal isn't to build this brainy friend from scratch, but to learn how to talk to them to make our own apps incredibly smart. Think of ordering food at a restaurant. You don't go into the kitchen to cook. You tell the waiter, the API, what you want from the menu, and they bring you the finished dish. In the world of software, an API, application programming interface, is exactly like that waiter. It's a set of rules and tools that allows different software programs to talk to each other. Your app tells another program's API what it needs, and the API handles the request and delivers the result. You don't need to understand the other program's kitchen. So, if an API is a waiter, an LLM API is the specific waiter for our super smart AI friend. It's the standard way your application, the customer, sends instructions or questions, like summarize this article, to the LLM, the chef, and receives the AI-generated answer. By using an LLM API, you can add powerful AI capabilities to your apps, like generating text, translating, or answering complex questions, without needing to be an AI expert yourself. It's like giving your app a voice and a brain. From a developer's perspective, talking to an LLM API usually involves writing a few lines of code that send a simple message. Over the internet, you'll typically tell the API, "Hey LLM API, here's my input," called a prompt. Write a short, funny story about a dog who learns to fly. Then, you'll ask it to send back the AI's response. The API then takes your prompt, passes it to the powerful LLM, and returns the generated story for your app to display or use. It's conceptually similar to sending a text message and getting a smart, detailed reply. Getting a cool response back from an LLM is awesome. But integration means making that AI a seamless, useful part of your existing application. Instead of just asking one-off questions, you might want your app to automatically summarize user reviews, draft email replies for customer service, or power a dynamic chatbot that answers complex queries. Integration is all about connecting these AI superpowers directly into the existing features and workflow of your software, making it smarter and more capable without human intervention for every step. LLM APIs are already powering countless applications you might use every day. For example, 1. Customer support chatbots. When you ask a question on a website, an LLM might be understanding your query and crafting helpful, human-like answers. 2. Content generation tools. Apps that help bloggers write articles, create marketing copy, or even suggest social media posts based on a few keywords. 3. Smart search and summarization. Tools that can sift through massive documents to quickly find specific information or provide a concise summary of a long report. These are all examples of integrating LLM APIs into useful applications. As a developer, your exciting role is to understand how to leverage these powerful LLM APIs effectively. This involves learning the basics of sending requests, handling the AI's responses, and designing your applications to intelligently use AI's capabilities. You become the architect who connects the AI's brain to real-world problems, making apps smarter, more efficient, and more user-friendly. The possibilities are truly endless. And you're now equipped with the foundational knowledge to start building your own AI-powered innovations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.